everybody to
If
make
there's
sure
a way to
hey,
get out
wait,
there.
I don't take anybody through this, so you're special. In my stinky garage.
I've been into your garage before.
You've been to my stinky garage.
Here, hold this one. Well, I don't know if it was stinky at the time, but.
Bye, Win. Sunday afternoon. I mean Saturday afternoon.
She can't go in outside. Lizzie, where is he?